So, good day everyone, I am Princess Rishani Guzman, and today we'll be going to show you on how to make a new workbook in MS Excel. So now, as what you can see, nandito na tayo sa MS Excel. So, i-click lang natin itong blank workbook and mag-create tayo ng dalawang columns. So, yung isa is for grades. Yan, example lang ito guys. Then, yung isa naman is name. Yan. So, lagyan tayo dito ng random na mga names. Ay, sorry. Yan. And I'm very sorry guys for the noise of the dogs. It's very it's inevitable, and I have nothing to do with that kasi hindi naman amin yun. So I cannot, you know, and dito naman sa mga words. For example, lang naman to guys. So ayan. Wait, may kulang pa pala dito. And then lagyan natin siya ng format. So ayan yung format na guys. And now, gawin natin is kung gusto nyo i-add yung numbers. For example, ito. Equal sign, then addition. Plus kanya, enter is equals to 168. So, in-add ko lang yung number na 98 plus 78. So, yung madali lang naman yung parang yung mga signs niya guys. So, ulitin natin. So, subtract naman tayo ngayon. So, again guys, I'm so very sorry for the loud noise of the dogs. It's our neighbor's dogs. It's not ours. Because we don't have a dog. So, yan. Minus. Ay, minus na pala natin. Minus 10. So, enter is equals to 5. So, tama, diba? So, ulitin natin yung multiplication naman guys. So, 90. Ayan. And multiply by 10 is equals to 900. And then, kapag gusto nyo division naman, ano nyo lang, ito, equal sign ulit. Tapos, and for example, 90 ulit. Tapos, ito yung sign ng slash, sign of division. Sorry. Then, so 90 divided by 10 is equals to 9. So, again, kapag, yun lang guys. And then, kung gusto nyo naman na parang i-combine yung mga names. Ganito lang siya guys. Concat. And then, ganito, tr. So, yan. So, Taylor Swift. So, ganun lang siya guys. So, ulitin natin. So, equal, sunnet, and then concat. And then, ganyan. Try natin ito. And then, ganito. And then, ito. So, Selena Gomez. So, kapag gusto nyo din naman na i-sort yung mga names by alphabetically. So, yung iba is meron na ditong arrow. Pero kapag wala, ano nyo na lang ng Alt, H, S, parang ganun. And then, pero nandito naman na siya. So, yan na natin ito. Sort A to Z. So, I wait dito. So, ayan, nakasort na siya. Ay, hindi pa pala. Wait, itong grades, pwede din ito. For, pwede siyang smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Pero rule natin is smallest to largest. So, yan na siya, guys. Na ano na lang. So, that's all. And then, gusto nyo din naman na lagyan siya ng mga graph. Punta lang kayo dito sa may insert. And then, may mga pagpipilian kayong graph. So, sa pie graph, line graph, kahit na anong graph. Pero ito na lang tayo dito. So, try natin ganito. Yan, try natin yan. So, naka-indicate mo din dyan yung weight. I-ano natin siya from smallest to largest. So, ayan, naka-smallest to largest na siya. So, pwede din siya, tawag nito, may edit pa siya, guys. Yung colors niya. So, okay na yan. And then, palitan natin para makita nyo. So, ganun. Kaya na lang natin siya dito sa video. So, ayun lang. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And, again, guys, I'm so very sorry for the noise. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and listening to my video.